I'm a fourth-year medical student, but now I'm living in a refugee camp. I should be studying at Al-Azhar University, but it got bombed and life stopped. This month I was supposed to start going to hospitals. I was supposed to start my internal medicine rotation. I was very, very excited. I bought my scrubs and my lab coat and my stethoscope, but life stopped and the war came. Now life is very difficult. No sleep, no food, no water, no electricity, no life. It's survival, barely surviving. It's not life. I dreamed of being a surgeon. Yesterday I was telling my sister, I dream of a world where a doctor shouldn't or wouldn't have to do surgery without any anesthetics, or wouldn't have to see his patients die because there is no electricity. I dream of a world where medicine can save people of devastation and death. But I fear this dream is not possible. I pray that they could look at us as humans, not just political situations and political conflicts. We're humans. 2 million people trapped, nowhere to go. We should be more valuable to the world than this. We have lives, and we should be able to live our lives.